Hello, my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story, a gentle, meaningful, important story about asking for help. There was a boy named Yash. Yash was quiet. Yash was shy. When he did not understand something, he stayed silent. He was afraid to ask questions. He thought, if I ask for help, people will think I am weak. So he tried to do everything alone. One day, his teacher gave the class a difficult math problem. Yash did not understand it, but he did not raise his hand. He looked at the book and felt confused. His friend finished quickly. Yash felt more nervous. After class, the teacher saw Yash sitting quietly. She came near and asked softly, "Yash, why do you look worried?" Yash replied slowly, "I did not understand the lesson, but I was afraid to ask." The teacher smiled kindly and said, "Do you know something important? Asking for help is not weakness. It is courage." She explained the problem again. This time, Yash understood. He felt happy. He felt confident. The teacher said, "When you ask questions, you learn faster. When you ask for help, you grow stronger." From that day, Yash changed. When he did not understand, he asked. When he felt confused, he spoke slowly. His fear became smaller. His confidence became bigger. Because asking for help does not make you small. It makes you brave. Final message, my friends. This story is for you too. If you do not understand something, ask. If you feel stuck,